This is Syed Shoeb Mohiuddin, and I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. I have completed my BCom in 2016 from Usmania University, and after that I am searching for the job, and I heard about Evision, and I have done internship from Evision, and the lecturers in Evision are very qualified, and they support me every time, and they help me in reaching my goals, what I have to do in internship program, and after that what I have to do in calls, and they help me in live classes also, and I thank them very much, and I got selected in Toptech systems, and with 3 rounds I have got selected after 3 rounds, and my LPS to LPA, and I appreciate Evision for giving me this genuine, and they are very supportive, and I suggest everyone to enroll in Evision and for better placement. Thank you so much.